Hi, my name is Chris. Thanks for visiting our site today. We're going to go over how easy it is to measure up for replacement doors for your kitchen. One thing you'll notice on this cabinet here is a standard face frame cabinet with European style hinges. The idea is not to change the hinges on these doors, but to just order a new door slab that fits in the correct location. The first thing you'll need is a tape measure. When we're measuring for doors, we always measure width first, then height. So when you're measuring up, you come to the back side of the door where it's a flat, crisp edge. You measure across. In this case, it is 16 inches. And you go for your height. This particular door is 28 inches tall. So when you're going to the website to order, remember width first, height second. And we can get in increments of 1/16 of an inch, so be accurate with your tape. So when you're measuring your drawer front, it's basically the same idea as you're measuring for a door. You want to get to the back side where it's crisp edge and measure width first. In this case it's 16, and height second. This one is 6 inches tall. So when you go to the website to order, remember width first and height second.